Welcome back to Braids by the Air Smith, and today's picture is me versus Untidy Locks. 90 minutes are on the clock and we're ready for kickoff. If you're ready, let's go. So first things first is I will want to prep the base of my client's hair with my gel, my hair wax, to make the hair soften a bit, like a wet grass when boys are coming to play football. That's what I'm about to do right now. Yeah. So this will just help the crochet pin move smoothly under the hair. And you see those unwanted hairs? Yeah, I'm going to tuck them in nicely, just like this. Then I'll go ahead with my crochet pin to tuck in those bad guys. Yeah, tuck them in properly. Everything has to go in. You have to be careful and gentle so your client don't go through much pain. My client came with, high expectations today, and as usual, I don't want to waste time. I want to take control immediately. Right now, I'm just trying to hold the hair, the locks a bit lightly, so as not to inflict much pain, on my client, because already she's tired. She's had a long day. So I'm just trying to tuck in those hair gently. So right now I'm going to pass the tip of a hair of the locks under the undergrowth with my crochet pin, just like this. So you open the hook, place the air inside, close the hook and pass it under gently, just like this. Open the hook, place the hair inside, close it and pass it under. Then you're done. Very simple, very easy and efficient. And guess what? The crochet pin is very affordable. You can get it anywhere in the market, beauty store. Just get it and get the job done for your client today. Yeah. This has some of the little things most hairstylists don't want people to know about. But trust me, it is very easy. It is very easy. It's something you can let your daughter do for you at home, or even your son. Just buy the crochet pin, give it to one of your children, let them watch a video, learn how to pass the hair, and get your hair fixed. It's as simple as that. If today is the first time you're seeing my video, please kindly like, drop a comment in the section. And if you have any question regarding locks or even braids or cornrow, feel free to ask me in the comment section and I will be honored to give you a very good reply. Thank you. Guys, I hope you're enjoying the World Cup as much as I am, because if you would ask me, this World Cup is surprising. I'm getting a whole lot of surprises from Cape Verde pulling a stunt, doing wonderful things in the tournament, and there is Team Ghana holding the almighty Three Lions to a draw. My goodness, it's amazing. And also Morocco, the Atlas Lion of Morocco, wiping Haiti 4-2. Who does that? My goodness. African teams, they ain't come to play in this World Cup and they are turning up. I love it. I love it. It's really commendable. I'm rooting for Ghana. I'm rooting for Morocco. A little bit of South Africa. Yeah, but I'm rooting for every African country out there. They've done well. Seriously. So this is basically how I tidy my locks for my clients. Although there are other methods, but this is the simplest method that one can use to tidy a client's lock. Very simple, efficient, easy to learn. So why not go for the simple things in life? My only challenge while fixing this hair was that she didn't keep her head still due to her tiredness. You can see that she was sleeping. So please, can you recommend what is it that I do the next time she comes to fix her hair so that, she can stay still for me, please? I really need help regarding this. Thank you. I'll be on the lookout for your honest reply. Funny enough, a few years ago, Locs wasn't really appreciated in this part of the world, Africa, I mean. You see, once you're on Locs, people tend to profile you into something negative, into something bad. But I'm just happy that right now, the whole thing is changing and we're coming to embrace our identity. We're coming to embrace Locs as being part of us, even from before time began. Yeah, Locs has been part of us right from day one. It has been part of our African identity and our culture. So let's embrace it, okay? And right now I'm done. See you in my next video. Bye.